Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a music lover or event enthusiast, you know how crucial it is to snag those pre-sale tickets before they sell out. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of registering your Mastercard for pre-sale access. This can give you a head start on events like concerts, sports games, or festivals. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set. First things first, head over to the official Mastercard website. You can easily find it by searching Mastercard Presale Registration on your favorite search engine. Once you're there, look for the Presale Access or Event Registration section. It's usually front and center. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Just click on the Sign Up button, enter your basic details like your email, and set up a password. This only takes a minute or two. Next, log in to your newly created or existing account. Now, navigate to the Presale options. You'll see a form where you can link your Mastercard. Enter your card details carefully. That includes the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Don't worry, this is secure, as Mastercard uses top-notch encryption. After you've entered your info, verify your card. This might involve a quick text message or email confirmation, so keep an eye on your phone. Once that's done, you're officially registered. Now, when pre-sale events pop up, you'll get exclusive access through your account or email notifications. One quick tip: always double-check the event details and make sure your card is active and has no holds on it. Also, remember that pre-sale periods can be time-sensitive, so act fast. If you run into any issues, Mastercard's customer support is usually helpful. There you have it. You're now ready to jump on those pre-sale tickets and avoid the mad rush. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.